How many times have you tried a new diet this year? Did it actually work? Weight loss doesn't need to be overwhelming or restrictive. By adopting simple lifestyle tweaks, you can achieve your goals naturally. Here are 10 proven strategies to help you shed those extra pounds. No crash diets required. Number 10. Start your day with lemon water. Kick-start your morning metabolism with a glass of warm lemon water. Packed with vitamin C and antioxidants, this refreshing drink can boost digestion and keep you hydrated. Plus, it's a natural way to suppress your appetite and reduce bloating. Number 9. Build a sleep routine. Did you know that poor sleep can sabotage your weight loss efforts? Studies show that a lack of sleep increases cravings for unhealthy snacks. Aim for 7-8 hours of quality sleep each night to help your body regulate hunger hormones like ghrelin and leptin. Number 8. Practice portion control. You don't have to give up your favorite foods. Instead, focus on portion control. Use smaller plates or bowls to trick your brain into thinking you're eating more. Chew slowly and savor each bite to give your body time to signal fullness. Number 7. Add protein to every meal. Protein isn't just for gym goers. Adding a healthy protein source like eggs, chicken, tofu, or legumes to your meals helps you stay full longer, reducing the urge to snack. It also boosts your metabolism as your body works harder to digest it. Number 6. Stay active throughout the day. You don't need an intense workout to burn calories. Incorporate small activities into your routine. Take the stairs, stand while working, or go for a short walk after meals. Every step counts toward a healthier you. Number 5. Meal prep for the week. Planning your meals in advance can prevent last-minute unhealthy choices. Prepping balanced meals with a mix of proteins, veggies, and healthy fats ensures you stick to your goals, even on busy days. Number 4. Spice up your meals. Add a dash of spice to your food with chili peppers, turmeric, or cinnamon. These natural ingredients can help curb cravings, boost metabolism, and make your meals more satisfying without adding extra calories. Number 3. Swap sugary drinks for herbal teas. Soft drinks and fancy coffees are calorie traps. Replace them with herbal teas like green tea, chamomile, or peppermint. Not only are they calorie-free, but they also support digestion and reduce bloating. Number 2. Mindful eating is key. Focus on your meals without distractions like TV or scrolling on your phone. Mindful eating allows you to enjoy your food fully and recognize when you're satisfied, preventing overeating. Number 1. Drink water before meals. Hydration is crucial for weight loss. Drink a glass of water 30 minutes before each meal to help control your appetite. Staying hydrated also supports your body's ability to burn fat efficiently. Bonus tip: incorporate a gratitude practice. Celebrate every small win. Keeping a gratitude journal can help you maintain a positive mindset, which is vital for staying motivated on your weight loss journey. What's your favorite weight loss tip? Share it in the comments below. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more tips to stay healthy and happy.